These 50 facts aren't just interesting, they could literally save your life. From fires to floods, animals to accidents, this is survival knowledge everyone should have. Fact number 27 can make the difference between life and death if you're being followed. And fact number 44. It's something 90% of people do wrong in emergencies. Stay with me till the end, you'll walk away a smarter, safer human. 1. If your car is sinking in water, don't wait, break the window immediately and swim out. 2. In a house fire, crawl low, the cleanest air is near the floor. 3. Lightning storm. Avoid trees, water, and don't use wired electronics. 4. If bitten by a snake, don't suck the venom, stay calm and seek help fast. 5. Never eat wild mushrooms unless you're an expert, many are fatally toxic. 6. If someone collapses and isn't breathing, perform CPR with 100 to 120 compressions per minute. 7. Rip current at the beach. Swim parallel to the shore, not against the current. 8. Bear encounter. Don't run. Black bear, fight back. Grizzly bear, play dead. 9. Clothes on fire. Stop, drop, and roll, running makes it worse. 10. Car trunk escape, modern cars have a glow-in-the-dark release lever. 11. If you're choking and alone, you can perform the Heimlich using a chair. 12. Tornado. Don't hide under a bridge, seek a ditch or low ground. 13. Smell gas at home. Don't switch on lights, it could cause an explosion. 14. Hypothermia. Warm the core, not the limbs, cold blood can shock your heart. 15. If you're bleeding heavily, apply firm pressure, stopping the bleed comes first. 16. During an earthquake, don't run outside, hide under sturdy furniture. 17. If a power line falls on your car, stay inside and call emergency services. 18. Lost in the wild. Stay put, moving makes you harder to find. 19. Avoid elevators during fire alarms, take the stairs. 20. Drowning person might look calm, they usually don't splash or scream. 21. Allergic reaction. EpiPens should always be injected into the outer thigh. 22. In extremely cold weather, keep moving, frostbite can set in within minutes. 23. If you're on a frozen lake and hear cracking, lie down and crawl back slowly. 24. If you get lost, mark trees or rocks to track your path. 25. If you smell almonds and feel dizzy in a garage, it could be carbon monoxide poisoning. 26. If your car stalls on train tracks, get out and run toward the train, but at an angle. 27. Suspect you're being followed? Make 3 right turns, if they're still behind, you're being tailed. 28. If you fall into cold water, float for 1 minute before trying to swim, cold shock can kill. 29. Diabetic emergency. Give juice or glucose, not chocolate. 30. If someone has a seizure, don't put anything in their mouth, just keep them safe from injury. 31. Avoid sleeping in a closed garage with the engine running, silent carbon monoxide killer. 32. If caught in a fire, cover your mouth with a wet cloth to filter smoke. 33. Gunshot wound. Stuff the wound with cloth and apply pressure until help arrives. 34. A whistle is louder than your voice in emergencies, carry one on hikes. 35. If a stranger tries to abduct you, scream fire instead of help. It draws more attention. 36. If you're in a stampede, stay on your feet, move diagonally to the edges, and protect your head. 37. When escaping a fire in a building, touch doors with the back of your hand before opening, if hot, don't open. 38. In a thunderstorm, unplug electronics, even if off, they can still fry. 39. Get out of the habit of walking while looking at your phone, distracted walking causes thousands of injuries yearly. 40. Back away from aggressive dogs slowly, don't turn your back or run. 41. If stuck in quicksand, lean back to distribute weight and wiggle your legs slowly. 42. If someone has an object impaled in them, don't remove it, stabilize it and get help. 43. Fire extinguisher use, remember pass, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. 44. Never shout indoors during a fire, short, loud bursts of help. Carry farther. 45. Flood water can contain sewage, sharp debris, and electric current, avoid waiting unless absolutely necessary. 46. Texting 911 is possible in many places, especially useful when you can't talk. 47. Stay hydrated, even mild dehydration affects brain function and survival instincts. 48. Panic causes most people to make fatal mistakes. Staying calm is your superpower. 49. If you're injured in a remote place, use a mirror or shiny object to signal aircraft. 50. Always tell someone your plan when hiking or traveling alone. It's the easiest safety net. Which of these 50 facts did you not know before? Drop the number in the comments, and share this video, because you never know whose life you might save today.